The search landscape is undergoing a seismic shift, and it's not just about AI taking over. What's truly fascinating is how user behavior is evolving around AI-powered overviews, and whether this is a threat or an opportunity for marketers. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we underestimating the role of organic search in this new era? Or is paid search finally getting the spotlight it deserves? Let's dive in. For years, marketers have debated the impact of AI on search, yet contrary to popular fears, total search volume hasn't crashed. In fact, it's growing, but with a twist. The way users interact with search results is changing dramatically. Are you ready to adapt? At QueryClick, we've been tracking this shift for months and have developed a technique called halo analysis to decode where clicks are coming from and where they're disappearing. The goal? To uncover hidden gaps between paid and organic search and identify terms that are ripe for conversion. A new frontier, halo analysis. Halo analysis isn't just a buzzword. It's a strategic tool to map click behavior across two channels that often compete: paid ads and organic listings. By analyzing this interplay, we can answer critical questions. Are we accidentally cannibalizing our own traffic by bidding on terms we already rank for organically? Are there high-converting keywords we're ignoring in either channel? The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity. Using Google's APIs, we can merge data from Google Ads and Search Console to create a unified view of searcher intent. This isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding why users click or don't. Unlocking the data, APIs, and the art of precision. Let's get technicals for a moment. Google Ads and Search Console APIs are gold mines for marketers, but they come with challenges. For instance, Google Ads no longer provides exact ad positions, forcing us to rely on metrics like impression share as a proxy. Meanwhile, Search Console's data exports are notoriously limited, unless you're using the latest API, which allows us to pull every search term, even those with just one impression. But here's the kicker. This granular data only tells us so much. The real magic happens when we combine it with device and brand segmentation. Why? Because a user searching for a brand name on mobile behaves differently than someone typing a generic query on desktop. Hashtag building the Halo report, a step-by-step breakdown. Creating a Halo report isn't for the faint of heart. It starts with a robust API query that stitches together paid and organic data using a foreign key, a unique identifier like keyphrase-device-channel. This ensures we're comparing apples to apples, not apples to oranges. For example, imagine a term like best running shoes that ranks organically but has no paid ads. If users are clicking on the organic result but not the paid one, it could signal a missed opportunity or a flawed ad strategy. Conversely, if a brand term like Nike running shoes has high organic impressions but low paid visibility, it might be time to rethink your bidding approach. The controversy: is AI undermining organic search? Here's a provocative thought. What if AI overviews are actually boosting organic search? By summarizing content up front, they might be driving users to click on the most relevant organic results. But is this a sustainable trend, or will users grow reliant on AI snippets and abandon traditional search entirely? This raises a critical question for marketers. Should we double down on organic SEO to capitalize on AI-driven traffic, or focus on paid ads to stay ahead of the curve? The answer isn't clear-cut, and that's where the debate lies. Putting it all together. Your Halo report in action. Once the data is merged, the real work begins. Using tools like Looker Studio, we can visualize trends like high CTR organic terms with low paid visibility, prime candidates for new ad groups, brand terms with excessive paid spend but minimal organic traction, opportunities to cut costs. In one recent case, a client discovered that 30% of their high-converting organic terms had no paid presence. By targeting these in Google Ads, they boosted conversions by 22% in just 3 months. Adapt or get left behind. The bottom line? AI isn't replacing search, it's reshaping it. The marketers who thrive will be those who embrace tools like Halo analysis to bridge the gap between paid and organic. But remember, Data is only as good as the questions you ask. So, what's your strategy for navigating this new frontier? And here's a final thought to spark discussion. Do you agree that AI overviews are a net positive for SEO? Or are they a Trojan horse that could erode organic traffic long-term? Share your perspective in the comments. We'd love to hear your take.